Stop by and take a look at the 2015 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, keyless entry, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.